everybody. I have unmuted you all. So this thing you got to know how to convert a date of birth into this thing,
Yes,
age.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Okay, and even this thing, roll number. This is nothing simple. Okay, I have done trim, and I have used upper cases. That's all. Okay, so basically, data set should be uniform. Okay, then these all in between, these all things will be used for statistics. So right now, today's session, I have only for you only text analysis. Okay, for example, this is only the text. If you guys remember, uh, the questionnaire last option was there. Okay, kindly put some suggestions or else your opinion about how a toothpaste should be there. So you guys have all given me this response. Based on your response, the young generation of India, I will convert this into a text analysis. Okay, so this is fun. Okay, just won't you feel these things are fun? Oh, someone is started flashing. Oh, I forgot to do this. Okay, how many people have come back? 80. 80 people have come back. We will wait, or else how? How much time is there? Okay,
No, sir. Carry on, sir.
we'll carry on. Harsha.
We'll start, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, we'll start. Okay, Harsha. Okay, okay. Okay, I'll
Yes,
mute
sir.
everybody.
Yes, sir. Sure, sure, sir.
Okay, okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, so you guys can see the screen, I believe. Okay, so basically, so now this we have done. Okay, so now we have converted the date of birth into age. So this looks very amazing. So we can have the age of the respondents. So you can see none of them should be blank actually. Let us see if any blanks are there. Oh, correct. There are no blanks. Okay, so all the respondents' age I have got. So the highest age of your class is 26 and 27. The lowest age is 20. Okay, if you guys have given the proper response. Okay, so and the average age is 22 of your class. Okay, okay. Very good. So now occupation everything has given. So once you can check that if any blank cells are there, so even those blank cells based on the average you can convert it. Okay, so like that you can do it. Okay, now I will go to the one most fascinating part, doing qualitative analysis. I would like to repeat and emphasize qualitative analysis. Qualitative analysis, in that, if you remember, sentiment analysis. Okay, so this we have done. Duplicate roll numbers we have seen. We have converted the roll date of birth into age. Now qualitative analysis we are going to do. We are going to do sentiment analysis. Someone is taking their hand. What happened? Any problem? Okay, nobody. Okay, nothing. Okay. Sentiment analysis. How can we do this? By word cloud. Okay. So we will do this. Okay. So basically, I have, okay. So this is one phase of editing I had done. So to make you guys understand even the more better, okay, the same sheet you can do editing. So to make you guys understand better, I have used multiple sheets. Okay, so once I have aligned the entire data, for example roll numbers I had, okay, so in front of that I have got the list of students. I can use a VLOOKUP and I can take the name of the student. So roll numbers I have taken the names of the students from our existing file what is there in the college. Okay, then contact numbers I have made it uniform. However, gender I forgot to mention in the questionnaire, but I have entered it. Okay, so no problem. So something here and there, kindly don't take otherwise. Okay, yes. So gender also, for example, some 30 percentage of the respondents are girls and 70 percentage of the respondents are boys. Okay. Okay. Yes. Now going ahead to sentiment analysis, I will go to the last. Okay. Yes. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, kindly keep your eyes and ears open. Okay, yes. So now what I will do is all the text is there. I can copy this text and I can paste it in the word cloud. So that thing I can do. Yes, but there are some words which would be used very often. For example, is, the, and. So these are not the words which explains their sentiment. Okay, so that's the reason I have to take out those words. one option of doing that is, okay, you select everything, then you do control H, replace. Okay, you go on typing 2. Okay, for example, 2, then I'll replace it. Okay, this also I can do, but however it will take too much of time. 2 and the, so like this individually I have to go on typing it and I'm going ticking. Rather than that, we can do one thing. Okay, rather than that, we can do one thing. There is a formula which will club all the responses and put it in one cell. Okay, so how do I need to do that? So let us start. Okay, so is equal to, so is equal to, I will select this. Okay, for example, what am I going to do is I'm going to merge this both, then merge all three, then merge all four, like this. Merge all 191 into one single cell. Okay, so how do we need to do this? Okay, so is equal to, select this, then you press and, don't forget to record please. Okay, don't forget to record. I'll start again. What am I going to do is I'm going to merge these two things, and we are going to perform a qualitative analysis. We are going to do a sentiment analysis by, based on your responses what you have given to me. Okay, so is equal to the text, whatever is the first text, then press and, then open inverted commas, space. Okay, there should be a space. Okay, I'll repeat, is equal to the first cell, and second cell I have to merge. So I have selected first cell and open inverted commas, space, close inverted commas, and the second text. Okay, close the bracket. This should do. Okay, okay, no need to close the bracket. Okay. Yes. So basically, what this has done is these two things it has clubbed. Okay, I can see toothpaste is not good for okay, someone. Okay, don't read it. Okay, then you can see satisfaction and good quality, satisfaction and good quality. So these both sentences have been clubbed. Okay, so however, if I go on dragging this, only two things will be clubbed, so I need not have to do this. So from here I will do, okay, is equal to this text, which is a cumulative of these two. Okay, is equal to, and open inverted comma, space, close the inverted comma, and the text which is to be clubbed, this text. Okay, okay, you can see now it has added a tooth. Okay, a toothpaste taste or something, blah blah blah. Okay, so it has added. So the moment if I do a double click, I can say the entire thing. Okay, it keeps on adding. This is a cumulative. Okay, so there is a, in statistics certain cumulative frequency, something like that. So the last text has got the entire thing of all the previous data. So what I'll do, I'll just copy this, then in a blank sheet I'll go paste special values. Okay, you can say this goes on running, but however this is there in only one cell. So I have to, what I'll do next is I'll break this into multiple cells. How do I need to do that? One second. Okay, okay, how do I need to do that? So I will go here, then I'll go, okay, okay, yes, so I'll go to data. So I will go to data, then I'll go to text to columns. Okay, the moment I press this will come. So don't select the first option, select the second, fixed width, then you press next. Okay, the moment you do that, the words wherever your spaces, it goes on dividing. Okay, I will show you again. Okay, what I have done. For example, the entire text I have put a formula, done a cumulative thing, then put it in one cell, then I copy this, then I bring it here, I paste this special values, then it is come, then I go to data, from data, text to columns, then the entire thing I have to divide it into different cells. So fixed width I will do, then next it will give you this width. Okay, how it is dividing, wherever there is a space it is dividing it. Okay, then next. Okay, then finished. So you can see before the data was only in one column, now it has been divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Okay, it just goes on till bzp. Okay, how many things, count. Okay, so 2038 words are there. Okay, So 2038 words are there which is describing the sentiment of my students. Okay. So going ahead, I'll just copy this. If you remember, transpose. Okay. I'll paste special values and transpose. Okay. Then I will delete this. Okay. Then I will put something like words. Okay. Words. Then I will put a filter. Okay. Then I will do this A to Z. Okay, so some more junk aata hai, so I have to take it out everything. So I will start like this. I will go on deleting. So 2023 I will go on doing that. Okay, however, and then I will take out these words with wish, all those things were political, so your something like this. So all these things I will go on keep on taking it out. So once I do this, I will get, for example, I have done it for you. So I will get a nice list of words. Okay, I'll get a nice list of words. I will keep it based on my understanding, which are all relevant to compute a qualitative analysis. For example, if I apply a filter, you can see, yes. So all these words are there. However, I can specify. ठीक है. Okay, availability, Ayurvedic attributes, attractive, bleeding, brand, brush, breath, okay, celebrity, chemical, clean. So all these things, okay, you can see. So you guys are talking about this herbal, hygiene, ingredient, kill, okay, kill germs, okay, long lasting, mouth, natural, okay, oral, package, okay. So all these things. So what I will do, I'll just copy this, the cleaned data. Then we can come over here. There are two options, multiple options to create a word cloud. I had told you this, you remember, word it out. So basically I can paste my cleaned data here, and I can ask this website to create a word cloud for me. So it has started creating. You can see the magic. So wonderful, no? Once you do this, it's so exciting. Okay. So you can see the highest used word is toothpaste. Okay. If I take this toothpaste out, okay. For example, my sentiment of my students, so they are worried about freshness. Their toothpaste should to keep them fresh. Okay, their mouth fresh. They love the fragrance. Okay, remember fragrance. It should be healthy. Okay, it should be long lasting. It should be herbal. Okay, color should be good. So good is one thing. Then it should make their teeth white, no matter what. Okay, they are worried. My students are worried about taste. Okay, quality. My goodness. Okay, you can see youngsters of India, they are talking about quality. They are not worried. You cannot see a celebrity advertisement is very small. Okay, advertised. So hardly people are worried about advertisements. So the young India toothpaste into a very big market in coming days. You are going to refer to your family once you extend your family to the existing toothpaste what you guys are using. So you believe that that toothpaste has got quality, and in future also you are worried about quality, freshness, long lasting. You are talking about herbal. You are so young, so you are worried about herbal aspect, healthy, okay, fragrance, taste. So I can suggest this to the I'm gonna say to the upcoming toothpaste industry that the young India sentiment is telling this. So they want to see their toothpaste to have a nice fragrance and taste. So you take care about these two aspects, and the quality of the toothpaste should be good. They are not worried about packaging very bad, less, okay, very less, okay. Ayurvedic, okay, but they are worried about these things. And I don't know, herbal is one buzzword. So our youngsters, if you put a toothpaste with a tagline herbal, probably the probability of your toothpaste getting sold is very high. Okay, so this is one thing I can do. However, you have got an option to refresh it. Okay, let us see. So it gives me random outputs. Okay, okay. So again, same thing. Is it the same thing? Yes, again it's the same thing. Herbal fragrance. Okay, I'll just refresh it again. Let us see. Okay, it should be have good means what? Good quality. Okay, good quality, healthy, fragrance, herbal. Okay, the same thing. Natural. Okay. So you guys are awesome. So because you are educated cult of India, probably you guys are more worried about this. Okay, herbal aspect, fragrance aspect, then taste, quality, and it should have been having a long lasting, which will keep your tooth white and make your tooth clean. Okay, something like this. Okay, so price is one aspect. Okay, no problem. You can see I am surprised to see this. Okay, advertisement. Your guys are not worried about advertisement. So you can see this. Okay, now however there is a buzz that advertisement, TV advertisements or something, it is losing its charm. Unnecessary companies are spending tons and tons of money in that. So further this analysis is substantiating that stance. Okay, yes, okay, yeah. However, the same thing I can also do a pivot table. Okay, the same thing I can also do a pivot table. For example, insert a pivot table. Okay, so only words and words. Yeah, so I can see here this word has been abrasiveness is used twice, and this advertising is used twice, only two times. Okay, then clean, I can say advertising and advertising. Okay, no problem, let us make it three. Okay, so I'll just copy this and paste special values, and I will just put a filter for this. Okay, I'll put a filter, I'll put a Z to A. However, this total is there, I'll take it out. You can see toothpaste. Okay, what if I take this out? Toothpaste, good to teeth. Okay, okay, my responses are here. So the highest repeated word, ladies and gentlemen, is in front of you. Okay, quality. People are worried about quality, freshness, long lasting, taste. Okay, you give the ang cult. Okay, tooth, I'll take it out. Okay, clean, fragrance, healthy, whitening, herbal. Okay, so basically, this is what is our understanding, and for you, it looks very simple now, but it is an actually it is a simple process. Okay, you remember how we started? We took the responses from Google Forms, then we it is very simple. Just what you have to do is you have to create a questionnaire in Google Form. You have to collect the data, clean the data, that's all. And things like this, the magic, okay, of analysis falls in line. Okay, you can see falls in line. So if you report this particular table, okay, if you report this table, chemical till here, germs, okay, till here, and people are worried about color also. Okay, hygiene, sensitivity. Okay, till here I'll just put a nice box. I will decorate this if you want. Then you can see so the highest repeating words. If you put this in a PPT, for example, okay, I'll just put this in a PPT. It looks so wonderful. Okay, I'll just put it in a PPT for your understanding. For example, just do this. I'll just add this. Okay, so I'll put this as a so sentiment analysis. I have done this. Okay, you can see if you present this like this. Okay, yeah. Okay, okay. Probably I'm running out.